Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Canon Pixma Ts5350a. This printer is nice gear, dope stuff for office work, for student work, for businesses. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, triple in one if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer right now, what I'm going to do is give you an overview of this printer, then show you step by step how to install the ink cartridges. Okay, it's what we're going to do. Before we do that, from the back here, if you have any paper jam at all, this is where to check. Lift this up, check this area for any paper jam and debris, and gently remove it and put this cover back. Okay, so this is the where to check for any paper jam. Now here is this printer got two paper trays, rear paper tray and front casket. So this is the rear paper tray. Load particular paper you want, 4x4, okay, A4 paper, A5, various sizes of paper, and adjust it with the holder right here. Now here is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. Just above the power cable we have the USB cable spot. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. Here is the USB cable. This is what it looks like. We have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK, and it goes in here. Okay, so you just need to push it inside. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network, likewise USB cable. Okay, so it's in. This flat section goes to the back of your PC, and once it's in, download the software. It will recognize this printer. Okay, now I'm going to turn this printer around. Here is the scanner. Load ID card, document you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner, and select the function. It will do the job. So this is the flat-based scanner, and from this front panel you see on and off. This is the on and off button. Okay, this is for you to start your work, copy, or start the work you want to do, and this is for you to cancel. This is OK button. Okay, so this arrow is for you to go back. This is up and down arrow. Okay, this is for you to identify your proximity, and also want to lift this up. Once you lift it up, this printer is ink cartridges holder is right here. It's using ink 560 black and 561, which we are going to load. Okay, so this is the ink cartridges, and the ink cartridges holder, just need to open it up. You can see it will come right in the middle for you to change it. It does this automatically. And also, just before we do that, this is the front casket, so you can load paper right here as well in the front. Once you load the paper, then you need to decide which casket or where you want to print from. Okay, the paper, either you print from the front or you select from the back. Okay, I just also want to mention that you can extend this. Okay, so you can adjust it. If you want to adjust it, you just need to press this here and for you to adjust it. Okay, so you can load various sizes of paper, A5, B5, liter, and A4. Okay, and right now just gonna put this back. Okay, it's in. Now what I want us to do is basically show you how to install the ink cartridges. Is what we're going to do. And for us to do that, but before we do that, I also want to mention that this printer, you can print up to 13 prints per minute for black, okay, and 6.8 for color. This printer, you can print double-sided with this gear. It's wireless printer and it's compatible with Mopria and Apple AirPrint, okay. And in terms of the app, you can connect this with print and scan with smartphone and tablet with Canon Print Inject Selfie, okay, and also easy photo editor, creative pack. So you can do a lot of stuff with this printer, okay. So right now, what I want us to do is let's install the ink. So right now, this color, this is color, okay. Just need to pull this off. So you just need to go in straight, and on top of the cover for the ink cartridges holder, you will see C is for color. So you just need to go in with the colored one, okay. Close it. Do the same thing to the black. Okay, now go in to the black, close it. Once you are done, just use your hand to check it, make sure it's not falling off, and if you're happy, then the next thing to do is close the cover. I also want to say, before you close the cover for this printer, you need to find the pattern. And how to do this, you need to go backwards movement and front for you to close it. If you go front straight away, you're going to break it. So right now, okay, so right now it's telling us the cover has been closed, okay. So right now we just need to wait. Here we go. The following genuine Canon ink cartridges has been installed. PG560. Okay, so right now it's just telling us that the ink cartridges has been installed successful. So this is how to do this. This is how to install the ink cartridges. And I also want to show you, this is the information pack in case if there's any information you want. This is the CD-ROM. I also want to show you about the CD-ROM. You stick this to your PC and download the software. But you can download the software by going to Google Play Store and download Canon Inject Selfie on your PC or your smartphone. But if you don't have that option, okay, or your PC haven't got where you put this CD plate, then the way to go about this is go to Google Play Store, like I mentioned, download the software. But this is for you if your laptop have a place for you to put the CD-ROM, just need to stick it inside and download the software on your PC and connect to your printer, okay. And once you download it, go to https://ijstart.com, okay, and select your printer part number, okay. So this is also photo paper. It's very handy. Print a photo with me after setup. So you can stick this. This is 5x5, okay, 5x5 or 13 centimeter by 13 centimeter. So you just need to load this paper right now and select it. So it's handy. It's included in the packaging, okay. So this is information details, Canon TX 5350 series. This printer is 5350a to be precise, okay. So guys, this is how to install the ink cartridges for this printer. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. This printer is nice, it deserves your attention. Canon Pixma TX5350. Thank you.